Wanting to show you in Fashion Valley, the water has receded after the river crested yesterday, trapping people in their cars and prompting several high water rescues while police quickly work to close off dangerous roads. Some cars have been fully destroyed. Several businesses also flooded. Our Wiley Jahari joins us with a look now at some of the damage that's still there. And you're right in the middle of it there, Wiley.
Yeah, truly in the heart of it. You know, the rain is done for now, but the damage is hard to miss, especially here in Mission Valley. Take a look at this business complex. I mean, floodwaters really just hit almost every unit here. You can take a look. It's been a day of cleanup for many of these businesses. Take a look at this chair. It just kind of shows you how high these waters were when the flood came in. Business owners tell me that's what they're going to be doing for the next couple of days, is cleaning up and preparing for whatever comes next. A day after a powerful storm soaked San Diego, Mission Valley is dealing with the aftermath.
So yeah, I was leaving the house and then one of my coworkers called me and he was like, hey, just so you know, it's flooding again.
Dramatic video footage showing rushing floodwaters overwhelming roads and parking areas. People were left stranded in their cars waiting for help on New Year's Day.
If you talk to anybody who lives around the area, I'm sure they want something done about it too, because it's crazy. Like if I lived in this area, I'd be scared.
And it's hard to imagine that all of these cars right here were pretty much invisible yesterday as they were all submerged under water. Now, the water is gone today, but the devastation left behind shows just how quickly conditions escalated.
The most important thing is I was just starting a new job, so I got my driver's license, my social security, and everything inside the car, so I left it in there.
Joseph Landon got his car about a year ago.
A little disappointed that it's already damaged.
Parking it on New Year's Eve in Mission Valley, only to wake up on New Year's Day to find his car completely underwater.
Right now it looks like a total loss because it was completely submerged and all the electricals and mold and everything happened, so.
Mary, is this one you're making?
The flooding also took a toll on nearby businesses.
Bagel for Ryan.
Some were forced to close early as water crept towards storefronts.
Gross.
While others dealt with flooding inside.
Are we hosing everywhere?
Now they're left with dirt to clean up and lost business during one of the busiest times after the holidays.
Ton of water, dirty water, not good. Just things floating everywhere. The water lifted a lot of stuff and shifted things around. I grew up in San Diego and I remember this area flooding when I was in high school. And so it's hard to understand, or 20 years later, this is still an issue and truly only getting worse, and the damage. And again, we're grateful that everybody's safe, but seeing footage of people getting stuck in their cars and everything, it's hard to see, it's hard to understand.
And as you saw there, the cleanup efforts here in this business complex are still ongoing. Many of them even getting ready for whatever else this winter might have to offer. Some say they'll be reaching out to the city to see if they can work to find a solution. We'll keep an eye on things out here. For now, reporting in Mission Valley, I'm Wiley Jahari.
All right, hope it all works out for them. Thank you so much, Wiley.